In this quick tutorial, I will show you the best PDF editor for Android and how you can install from your Google Play Store, a step-by-step tutorial guide. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about Android. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see best PDF editor for Android phone. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. So right here, click on your Play Store. Then you have to make use of search engine and type in Xodo. Then click on search. You are going to have stuff like this. So Xodo PDF reader and editor. Then what you need to do is to make sure you download and install the app. So right here you can see the number of people that have already downloaded and used this app is over 10 million people with 4.8 star review of 329,000 4.8 star review, which is equivalent to 5-star review. Okay, so once you are able to download and install the app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on open. As you can see in this video, I have already downloaded and installed this app on my phone. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on open right here. So it's going to load up to the workspace like this. Now, what are the things you can do with this Xodo PDF editor? Okay, now from the top right here, you can scan documents with your phone camera and automatically create PDF from the document. Then you can image to PDF. So you can select image from your phone gallery device and convert it into PDF. Then e-sign PDF. So e-sign PDF allow you to create a signature and sign your document with this particular app. Text recognition OCR, convert images and PDF scan to searchable PDF file. Okay, then the next one right there is convert from PDF. Whether you have HTML file, you have images, you have MS Word, you have Excel file, PowerPoint, PDF, so you can convert all these documents into a PDF file format. Okay, the next to it here is convert to PDF. So what you can convert to PDF right there is PowerPoint, Excel, and MS Word. So you can convert these three files into PDF using this particular convert to PDF from here. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and see more stuff. So right here you can merge multiple PDF to a single file. Okay, so you can also delete pages within your PDF. You can rearrange your PDF, you can extract, and you can merge PDF. Next to it here is redact PDF. Apply redaction on sensitivity information in your PDF. You can blur some part of PDF documents. That is, if you don't want everybody to see some of the information in the PDF file, you can do that. Then the next to it here is compress PDF. So this allows you to reduce the PDF file from large file to a very smaller PDF file size. So the next to it here is view and edit PDF. Edit PDF with text, comment, drawing, page crop, page rotation, and much more. You can do all those stuff with this particular section right here. Then in the bottom last here is secure your PDF. This allows you to add or remove password from your PDF with just your Android phone. Then right here, Office to image. So what are the documents you can convert from Office to image? Like Word document, Excel, PowerPoint files into just image. It's as simple as that. Then the last to hit here is HTML to PDF. So if you have HTML download file, maybe image or whatever, you can simply upload it here and convert it into a single PDF. It's as simple as that. Then from the top right here, we have convert to PDF, PDF to MS Word, then Office to JPEG. So these are all the stuffs you can actually do with this particular PDF editor for Android. Then the next to it here is file. So if I click on the file section right here, this is where you see all the files that you have in your phone. It's going to be found right here. Okay, so these are PDF document file in different format, different sizes that I have on this phone. Everything is going to be embedded in this particular app. Immediately you have successfully download and install it. Then the next hit here is processed. So under the process right here, this is where your process job is going to be found. So when you are trying to convert or compress, or you are editing PDF and you save it as draft, it's going to be found right there. Then from the top right there where we have recent, so if I click on that, then your recent document that you have worked on is going to be found right there. Then the favorite tab right here give you this is the section whereby you save some of the favorite tabs that you are working with. So if you want to create a new document, simply click on the plus sign right here, and then you begin with your new document. So you can see, so when I click on it, create PDF, open file. So you can simply click on create PDF. Then when you click on create PDF, you have to choose the orientation paper. So do you want blank, or you want lined, you want grid? So these are the different formats of PDF file documents you can create. If you want lined, you have to select on line. If you want grid, you have to select on grid. So let's simply click on blank document. Then you have to title your document. So right here we call it testing 5. Okay, so we can simply click on the color right here. If you want it to be colorized, you can select color. If you don't want it to be colorized, you can simply put it in white color. So let me change it to yellow color. You can switch the page orientation, whether portrait or landscape. So I'm going to leave it in portrait. Then the page number right here, you can name it, you can as many as possible. The maximum page number you can have here is 1000, just like what you see right here. So that is the maximum number, which means that you can add anything above 500 upward to 1000 page. So let me just put this in 3 page, then I'm not sure I click on OK. So it simply creates it right here, and it's going to give you simple walkthrough tutorial. So you can simply click on next. That one is for Atonish. Then right here you have these tools right that you can work with, such as draw, sign and fill, prepare form, insert, measure, pens, redact, and favorite. So these are the tools you can work with. Just simply click on next. Then right here you have more tools can be accessed by scrolling horizontal. So just click on next. Then more tools, take a look at all the tools you can use for this document from the top right here. So these are more tools that you can use for your PDF document. Click on next. Then access more options by selecting the overflow menu. Just click on done. So you are good to go. So this is the 3 pages that we are able to create. Then you can start creating your document with the tools right here in this particular Xodo PDF editor. So this is one of the best PDF editor for Android phone that I want to show you in this video. So if you find this tutorial useful, give this tutorial a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how you can actually edit or convert any file into PDF using just your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.